How to check if your Instagram account is hacked. So to check that, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram like this, now the first method that I will show you in this video, I will show you 4 methods to know or to find out if Instagram account is hacked. First of all, now tap on this message notification icon, this one. Tap on this notification section. After you tap on this notification section, as you can see now here it says new. As you can see here it says new, so you can go ahead now and check all these notifications. If there is any activity that you did not recognize on your Instagram account, so that is a sign that your Instagram account is hacked. That's the first method to check. So the second method that I will show you is tap on this back arrow. After you tap on this back arrow, now tap on this, as you can see now, this message section, this one. After you open the message section now, as you can see now, if you tap open the message section now, make sure you refresh it like this. Now go ahead and check all these messages. As you can see now, go ahead and check all these messages. If there is any conversation that you did not recognize on your Instagram account, that means that someone has hacked your Instagram account. That's the second method to check if Instagram account is hacked. So the third method that I will show you is after you open your Instagram, now tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this profile. After you open your Instagram profile, if you come to this section, as you can see now, you may find some posts that you did not post it by yourself, and you find them on your under this post, as you can see now. So if you see some posts under your reel or under your post that are posted on your Instagram account, and you are not the one that post them, that means that someone have access to your Instagram account. So the last option, or the post method that I will show you, is after you open your profile like this, now tap on this 3 line at the top right side menu. Now tap on this account center. After you open this account center, now as you can see now, scroll all the way to down. After you come to this section, now tap on this section where it says accounts. As you can see now, so after you come to this section, now tap on this where it says account center. After you open this account center, now scroll to down and tap on this, as you can see, password and security, this one. After you open this password and security, now scroll to down and tap on this, as you can see it says where you are logged in, so tap on it. So after you tap on this where you are logged in, now select the Instagram account. So if you come to this section, as you can see now, you see all the devices that are currently logged in. As you can see, it says this device is this active, so means that this is my device that I'm currently using to open this Instagram account. So if there is someone just accessing your Instagram account using another device, you can be able to see all the devices, as you can see now, like this one. So to remove the device, all you have to do now, tap on this arrow beside the device and tap on this sign out to sign out the person from you accessing your Instagram account. So the last option that I will show you is tap on this back arrow. After you tap on this back arrow again, if you come to this section now, tap on this change password. So make sure you go ahead and change your Instagram password, since now someone have access to your Instagram account. So by doing so, now you'll be able to see or to know if someone hacked your Instagram account, and how to protect your Instagram account. Hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.